Welcome to the BISP solution. Today, we'll see how to load this trial balance using the DRCR split feature. In this case, we'll see how to load two source file amount columns into one target amount column. So my source file is like this. Our first column is account, second column is entity, third is debit, and fourth is credit amount. Here, in this case, we'll use the DRCR split feature on the amount column in import format. The DRCR split expression is used to split the numeric columns. It follows the format DRCR split equals to midpoint of the debit and credit columns. Everything left of the midpoint is debit and everything right of the midpoint is credit. Therefore, the expression in the import format for the amount will be debit DRCR split equals to 5 here, because debit amount is 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth, that is this space expression used, it is counted as 5. Okay, so DRCR split equals to 5 because everything left of the 5 is the debit and everything right is the credit amount. Okay, so when the file is imported, credit amount are assigned negative sign and debit amount are assigned positive sign, and both will be recorded into one target column. Okay, now we'll see how to load this trial balance through DM. First, under setup tab, register the source system. I have already registered, so I'll just show you how to, what is the name of my file. Okay, so my source system name is DRCR file and the source system type is file. Okay, now register the target system. My target file name is DRCR visconsole. Visconsole is my application name and prefix I have used as debit credit DRCR, and the type is consolidation. Okay, now create the import format. My import format is DRCR underscore I. This is the name which I have given. My source is DRCR file, which I have already created. Target is already picked up, which I've already created above. Now here file type I have kept as fixed numeric data. Okay, after creating this, click on save and then do the mappings. Okay, see here we'll see my source column is account. See, my target is account, my source column is account. Now this all will be mapped with my file. Account is in first column and the length of the account is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see, start is 1 and the length is 5, and then comes to amount. Source is amount. Okay, now my start digit is of the amount is C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is of amount. We'll count the space which is given, that is also counted. So there's a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 is the start digit of the amount, and the length of the amount is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 13 is the start digit and 9 is the length which I have given. And the expression here I'll use for the amount, expression type will be the DRCR split feature, and the expression value is 5. When we'll see in our file why it is given as 5, because this is the space, because everything left of the mid value. So this is the mid value which we used to give, because DRCR split uses equals to DRCR split equals to mid value of the DR and CR. So mid value is 5. 4 digits represents the debit and the right 4 digits represents the credit. So mid is the fifth one. Okay, that's why I have given DRCR split and expression value is 5. Click on OK. Remaining all, that is the data source. I have to map remaining all the dimensions. So data source is my source. Here you have to these are not in our file, but we have to mention give all the dimensions, okay, so as to represent the correct amount. So data source, you can use any previously used number. So I'm using it as 1, and it is not in our file, so length will be 0. Here you have to give some expression. So I have given the data source as managed data. entity, which is it is there in our file. So entity is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Seventh is the start digit of the entity, and the length is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, seventh is the start digit and the length is 5. From currency, it is 1, that is a previously used number. Okay, and it is not in our file, so length is 0, and I have given the expression as USD. Same is the case with the intercompany. It is 1, length is 0, and intercompany I have given taken as no intercompany, movement as also no movement, multi gap as local gap, and product as no product. After defining all these mappings, just click on save. Okay, after that, create location. So my location is this. You have to define the name of the location. Select the import format. Source will automatically be reflected, and the target will also automatically get reflected because you have already defined in your import format your source and target. So once you will define your import format, it will automatically reflect your source and target and give the name of the location and click on save. Now on the workflow tab, you have to do the data load mapping. Select your correct POVs. So my correct POV is DRCR location. Select the correct location period. Okay. After that, map the source and target as like mapping as star to star. Okay. Under account dimension, you have to just map all the source and target. So I have given mapping like source as star and target as star, and just give the rule name, random rule name. So like this, you have to map all your dimensions. So map the source and target as star to star mapping. Okay. So data is also same star to star. Data source also I have given as same source value star and target values manage data. Entity star to star even. From currencies also I have defined the target value as USD, which I have already taken in my import format. Intercompany also no intercompany I have taken the target value. Define all the values which you have taken in your import format. Okay, so target value here I have taken as net income. Multi gap I have taken as local gap, and product I have taken as no product. After mapping all the source and target as star to star, click on save and create the data load rule. Under data load rule, give the name, select the category, select the import format, select the target plan type, and select the file name and click on upload. Click on upload. I have already selected my file, uploaded my file, that is DRCR notepad, and click on OK. After selecting your file, click on save and then execute your file. Okay, once you will execute your, click on this execute. Let's import from source and click on run. Let's import on source, click on refresh. Okay. This green tick mark, that is import is successful. You can even check it from data load workbench. Fish turned golden, that is import and validation part is successful. Now under export, let's export. Select the export mode to replace data. So, and click on OK. See, the fish turned golden, that is export is also successful. In process details, we can check all these steps which are having a green tick mark. See, we can see all these steps which are having a green tick mark. Okay. See, consolidate, export data to consolidation, export done is successful. In data load workbench, you can see this is the file which is imported and validated and then exported successfully, the amount column is reflected in under one target column, that is plus sign represents the debit amount and negative sign represents the credit amount, as we can see from our source file. See, credit amount was 3,000 and 6,000. Credit amount is minus 3,000 and minus 6,000. Rest all were debit amounts. They that all amounts are reflected with the positive sign. So this is the way we load the trial balance using the DM, and using the debit credit split feature. We load all these amount into one target column amount. So this is the way how you use this DRCR split feature. If you are having any doubt, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Thank you.